When it comes to protecting your retirement savings, understanding the risks of gold IRAs is crucial. You've probably heard about gold IRAs as a way to safeguard your wealth, especially with everything happening in the economy today. But before you dive in, it's important to know the risks so you can make an informed decision. Stick with me, and I'll show you exactly what you need to watch out for and how to avoid the common pitfalls that could put your savings at risk. Gold IRAs have become increasingly popular, especially among American retirees who are looking to diversify their portfolio. But while they can be a great way to protect your wealth, they're not without risks. One of the biggest risks is the volatility of gold prices. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold prices can fluctuate significantly. These price swings can impact the value of your gold IRA, especially if you're looking to access your funds in the short term. So, while gold can be a safe haven in times of economic uncertainty, it can also leave you vulnerable to price drops if you're not careful about how and when you invest. Another risk to consider is the fees associated with gold IRAs. Unlike traditional IRAs, gold IRAs often come with higher fees for storage, insurance, and administrative costs. These fees can eat into your returns over time, making it more difficult to grow your savings. That's why it's essential to do your due diligence and compare different gold IRA companies before making a decision. Not all gold IRAs are created equal, and finding a reputable provider with transparent fees can help you avoid unnecessary costs. And speaking of providers, let's talk about the risk of choosing a company that's not trustworthy. There are a number of gold IRA companies out there that are not as reliable as they seem. Some might overcharge for gold, others might not have the necessary security for storing your precious metals. When choosing a gold IRA provider, you want to work with a company that has a track record of honesty, transparency, and good customer service. That's why I highly recommend checking out the first link in the description if you want to learn why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs with companies that provide ethical, transparent services. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, especially in the next couple of weeks, this free guide will help you get started on the right path. Another key risk is the lack of liquidity. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold is not as easy to sell off quickly if you need cash in a hurry. The process of selling gold from your gold IRA can be more complicated and take longer than you might expect. If you're relying on your gold IRA as a liquid asset for emergencies, this could be a major downside. Tax implications are another factor that many people overlook when considering a gold IRA. Just like other retirement accounts, gold IRAs have tax rules that can impact your returns. For example, if you withdraw your funds before the age of 59 and a half, you'll likely face a penalty and you could owe taxes on your distribution as well. It's important to be aware of these tax implications when making any decisions about your gold IRA. While the risks are real, there are ways to minimize them. By working with a reputable gold IRA provider, understanding the fees and tax implications, and being mindful of the long-term nature of your investment, you can greatly reduce the risks associated with gold IRAs. But don't just take my word for it. Click the first link in the description to get your free guide and learn how you can secure your wealth with a gold IRA today. Finally, I want to leave you with this. If you're an American retiree with 100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even up to $5 in savings, a gold IRA might be one of the best ways to protect your wealth. The key is to choose a provider that aligns with your financial goals and ensures your gold is stored safely and securely. Take the time to do your research, and you'll be well on your way to securing your future. If you want more information on how to make this happen, don't forget to check out the link in the description for a free guide tailored specifically to helping you make the best decision for your retirement.